Hi traders, hope all are doing well. In the last video, we learned about difference between investment and binary trading, and we also learned about the basic anatomy of candlestick. In this video, we are going to learn about what are the formations of candlesticks and the reasons behind the formation. In this video I will explain the facts through green candles. There are no differences between the formation concepts of green or red candles, so apply the same concept on red candle too. As we already know, this is bullish candle. This candle represents us the buyers are strong in the market. As we know, the market opens here and closed here. It means the value of the product, or the share, is increased. This candle is called hammer candle. Based on the formation it has different names. But for simple understanding we remember it as hammer candle. In this candle, we can see that the market opened here. Then sellers entered into the market and decreased the price until here. However, buyers entered again from here and increased the price, and when time ends the price reaches here and closed as green candle. But for a specific period of time there is a strong entry of sellers in the market. However, the buyers-sellers entry and movement pattern differs between market to market. In this candle we can see that the market opened here, then buyers entered into the market and increased the price until here. However, sellers entered again from here and decreased the price, and when time ends the price reaches here and closed as green candle. But for a specific period of time there is a strong entry of sellers in the market. However, the buyers-sellers entry and movement pattern differs between market to market. This both candle shows us, due to the power of buyers the candles may closed as bullish candles. But there is a strong presence of sellers also there. So it represents us sellers are interested on this price level strongly, and buyers don't want to give up the level. In a candle, the colored region is named as body of the candle, and the range it moves above is called wick. The range it moved down is called tail. So try to remember those words. We will use them continuously in trades. There is no difference between the hammer concepts of green or red candles. So applies the same concept on red candle too. This candle is called spinning top candle. In this candle we can see that the market opened here. Then sellers entered into the market and decreased the price until here. Then buyers entered from here and increased the price until here. But again sellers entered from here, and when time ends the price reaches here and closed as green candle. But for a specific period of time there is a strong entry of sellers in the market. This candle shows us, due to the power of buyers the candles may closed as bullish candles, but there is a strong presence of sellers also there. So it represents us. Sellers are interested on this price level strongly and buyers don't want to give up the level. However, the buyers-sellers entry and movement pattern differs between market to market. There is no difference between the spinning top concepts of green or red candles. So apply the same concept on red candle too. If price closed above the opening price then it is a green candle. If the price closed below the opening price it is a red candle. Apart from that the formation concepts are same. These are the three types of single candles: strong candles, hammer candles and spinning top candles. Apart from the red-green candles, there is a special type of candle too. It's called doji candle. If the price closed above the opening price we call it as bullish candle. The price close below the level we call it as bearish candle. If the price closes exactly at the same opening price, we call it as doji candle. Doji candle can form in two situations. One is when the price opens at a level. Then buyers and sellers are interested in the level and try to increase and decrease the price value, and at the end of the time it closes at the opening price level. Like, either when buyers try increase sellers rejects or sellers try to decrease buyers reject. That types of doji candles look like this. The other formation of doji is look like this. Here we can see there are no sellers or buyers entered in the level for that specific period of time. It means there is no buyers or sellers interested in this level. So it shows a small line. Both situations the market closed exactly at the level. But in first case there is a heavy competition for the price from both buyers and sellers. In second, there is no interest in that deal from both buyers or sellers. There are double candle patterns, triple candle patterns too in the market. We will learn about them in future. We will do trades mostly with the help of single candle patterns. Here I explained all the important things you should know in single candle pattern. When this type of candles appears in a market, there are some ways to predict the next candle based on their placement. If they appear in the middle of the trend, it will mostly continue the trend. If it appears in the support or resistant level, it will mostly reverse the market. I know you may confuse what is level, support, resistance and trend. Don't worry. In the next video we are going to learn about support and resistance. So in the next video, we will learn about those support, resistant and trend things in live market. Hope you understand something new in this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in comments. Our Telegram channel link is given in the description. You can contact me in Telegram also. See you all in next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.